What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back for another video. Actually, this is not a cooking video. This is a grocery haul video. So we went to our local, what everybody say it, H-E-B, and went grocery shopping just for a few items that we needed to kind of make ends meet. Got some items for a little catering gig that I'm gonna be doing for my brother-in-law's birthday coming up, and yeah, just a few things for the house. So let's get started, and I'll just point out what's what. So we've got some Trappy's jalapeno slices, and Curtis will help me with this. This will be for the catering. Then we've got some tostada crowns, and this is gonna be for a video, so make sure you stay tuned to the video, and we'll show you what we're making with that. Picked up some multicolored bell peppers. Also grabbed some sweet potatoes in this. I think hubby picked up 2, 4, 5 of them. Is this 5 in the bag? And then we also grabbed some onions because we were running low on onions. In my hand is some organic lettuce, because the lettuce, this is green leaf lettuce or green and red leaf lettuce, but the regular lettuce that wasn't organic was horrible. Like, it was really horrible. I was like, what am I gonna do with this? It was just pick it up and it just limp. Picked up some more grapes. Grabbed some tomatoes for the catering, and some tomatoes for the house. Shredded cheese, that will be for catering. Some baby spinach, you'll see why I'm using this in one of the videos coming up. Let me come back over here. Picked up 2 of these flour tortillas, home style flour tortillas. They're really soft, y'all see that? They're soft. But this is for the catering. Grabbed some Pop-Tarts because somebody holding the camera loves these right here. Picked up 2 of those. Also grabbed 2 of the yellow rice, kind of replacing some things. Grabbed some salsa for the catering birthday event. Picked up 2 packages of potatoes. These are 5-pound bags, and you'll be seeing what I'm gonna do with these in some upcoming videos as well. Grab 2 of these regular meat sauces for some videos coming up. 2, let me see. Catering event, picked up 2 of these for the birthday. Picked up 2 jasmine rice, because that's for the house. Grabbed some, this is the best thing they could have done. It gave me some sliced up watermelon, already sliced up, don't you think? So grab some of that. I've been grabbing that every time we go to the store, and the watermelon been good too. Grab some tomato paste. That's gonna go in some spaghetti in one of the videos coming up. Some diced rotel. I got a bigger can this time. Normally I have a smaller can, So, but those are like normally for the house. This is for the catering event. And then we will go around the table. Let me make sure I got everything on this side. Yep, so we got some more onions right there. Oh, well, don't forget the bread. This bread is for the house. 2 loaves of bread for the house.
All we need is, we need just to take, get 3 more of these and just get 2 fish, 2 things of catfish.
5 loaves of bread and fish. Feed the multitudes. And we got some more onions right here. Those will be for the catering. Bell peppers for the house. Is that garlic? That's for catering. And I've got some bananas. They are green. I decided to do green and let them ripen because yeah, you should see the bananas that are in the basket right now. They pudding. Picked up some more cornbread mixes right here. Get prepared for Thanksgiving. Grab the head of lettuce. That's going to be for the birthday catering event. And grab some
cabbage.
No, that's lettuce. And some broccoli. Picked up 2 packages of broccoli, 2 packages of spinach, or 3 packages of spinach, chopped spinach. And those will also be, the spinach is going to be for a video as well. And the green beans. We got some packages of green beans right around there. 3 packages, 2 packages. Okay. So then we got some juice right here. Hold that up. Let me see. I got some Minute Maid strawberry lemonade. That is the bomb. Okay. If you have not tried that, in my store, those are $1.50 for the Minute Maid juices. So we picked up 3 of them. The other one is a mango punch, which is off the chain, and then I think I got a peach around here somewhere. There we go, the peach punch. Those are good as well. We also grabbed these some chips here, the Rigid, they're HB brand. I got barbecue, original, and sour cream. They had a coupon, 3 for $5, so pick those up. Also grabbed some Old El Paso standard stuffed taco shells. We picked up 3 of those, and that is for the birthday catering event. I see some sour cream over here. That is for the birthday catering event. Stop. We also grabbed some spaghetti. That's going to be for a couple of videos coming up. I got some thin spaghetti. And then I got some angel hair too. So that's 1 angel hair and 2 regular spaghetti sauces. Spaghettis. Then we got some Bellagio, I think it's called. Let me see the name of that. It's called, Bella Foligia or Foligia. It's shaved Parmesan, and I probably have butchered the name, so my apologies if I butchered the name, but that will be for a video as well as some Italian Parmesan cheese for a video. We grabbed some sliced cheese for sandwiches, sharp cheddar, some easy melt cheese right here. That's going to be for the catering, birthday catering event for my brother-in-law. Grab some Honey Smacks. Listen, I did not choose the cereal this time. Your pops chose the cereal, so we got Honey Smacks and Frosted Flakes. It's okay. And we also grabbed some cream of celery. I'm going to hold on to those. That's Thanksgiving time. You guys will get plenty of videos for Thanksgiving time. And then we grabbed a couple more of those chicken breast fajitas. Those were so good last time. We're going to be doing a video with those. I highly requested from a couple of subscribers. So we're going to do some videos using that chicken.
Paper plates.
And we grabbed some paper plates there. Is that everything? Now you gotta come over here. And we've got 4 cans of cranberry sauce because I'm trying to get, you know, little things, little by little, stocking up for Thanksgiving. We also grabbed this teriyaki sauce. I think I have 2 of those. No, I think I just grabbed 1. It's a, okay, so it's, what is it called? Flying sauce?
Flying saucy.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some wings, and I may do a video, and I'm gonna toss them in that teriyaki sauce and see what that comes out like. And we grabbed some more household sprays, the Glade sprays. Those run like 98 cents or $1 at our local grocery store. So we always pick up a bunch of those. And then last but not least is our milk. We've got milk for the catering event, and we've got milk for the household, and they were completely out of almond milk. Curtis and I drink almond milk, and they were completely out of the almond milk. So that is it for our grocery haul. This grocery haul was $273. Hopefully I got everything. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. But
oh,
what are we missing?
Guacamole.
Oh, guacamole. That is for the catering event. And anything else?
No.
Okay. So thank you guys for stopping by our channel and showing our channel some love. If you are new to our channel, welcome, welcome, welcome to the G Squad. Make sure that you click share so that you can help to grow our channel. Make sure that you subscribe and click that like button, thumbs up button, and we will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Peace.